Hi, welcome to A2ZKnowledge.com. So today we are going to discuss about Amazon Rekognition. It's a new service provided by AWS for data science, and under data science, this Amazon Rekognition is especially used for image and video analysis. So you can integrate this recognition service provided they provided the APIs and the software development kit, and you can integrate this with your application. Either it can be web application or it can be a mobile application. So the prerequisite like deep learning and machine learning is highly required for doing these kind of video and image analysis, but this Amazon Rekognition, if you want to use it, so you don't want to have any kind of prerequisite knowledge, that is you don't want to have any knowledge on machine learning and deep learning is not at all required. So even you can find the statement in the Amazon website as well. So they are saying that the knowledge on deep learning and machine learning is not required to use this Amazon Rekognition as a service, which is an platform for you to analyze your video and image only. So what kind of image and video analysis they are providing? So I can give you a walkthrough with a snapshot. So object identification. So if you upload an image, so it identifies the object, what all the object it has. You can see I uploaded an image. It says like person, human, pedestrian, automobile, car, vehicle, and still there are many more objects. A list are provided, and this is one key feature. And facial analysis, and you can able to see this in your mobile phone cameras, right? And then you can able to see in Facebook, once you upload your photo, it shows the tag option. If there is a one face, you will get one tag option. If there is a two face, then you will be having a two tag options. So we have an image which has lot of objects, but it tries to recognize only the face. And celebrity recognition is especially used in many applications like blogs, news blogs, and celebrity blogs. So if you upload any celebrity face, so it gives you the entire information with their name. And face comparison is another key feature, like you can upload two different photos and it compares only the face. So these two pics of mine, and it just compares and it gives 99.9% it's get equal. And if you upload two different photos with different friends, and it just shows other face or not equal with me. So that is something you will be getting if the photos are not equal. And text and image, this is very nice one. Like you are having a poster or something, a newspaper, from that as an image, from that you have to just derive the content. So you don't want to, you just want to do some kind of an extraction, text extraction from the image. So you can use this. So you can see here I have only one text called is www.a2zknowledge.com, and you can see it derived the text from the image, which is highly required when you want to extract some words from the image. And image moderation is an important feature that all application is required when they are going to have kind of an image and video analysis. So you might noticed this in Facebook. Like imagine you are just scrolling some Facebook timeline posts, and suddenly you get some video which is like abused, or it's a video kind of an accident video or something, like you should not see, or your kids which is just watching your Facebook account when you are scrolling it, and they don't want to see such videos. You might have seen like not all videos in Facebook will be blur like this. Only few videos will be blur like this, because the videos are not kind of an normal video which you can able to see while you are scrolling, right? So only when you click view count you can able to see. So this is called image moderation, is also required when there is an abuse content in your Facebook timeline or in your application. So you can use this to blur the image. Only purposefully a person can click and watch it. And finally, video analysis. So far we have seen only image analysis. So the last service which is provided by this recognition is video analysis. So you can upload a video, and this will show you how many persons are there and who are celebrities, and also it identifies the objects in the particular video, like table, chair, kind of. So these are all something like I can show you as a demo, which it already exists. A demo is already exists in AWS website. You can upload your image, and then you can do all these kind of an analysis like what I have done here. So which I will show you from my login. So in the next video. So thanks for watching A2ZKnowledge.com, and soon I'm going to upload a video how to integrate this Amazon Rekognition API to our application. I will show that video as well. So please stay in touch with us, and you can find the complete AWS videos link, playlist link in the description box of this video. And we provide videos in many technologies, not only in AWS, and we provide videos in two languages, English and Tamil. So thanks for watching A2ZKnowledge.com.